Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently checked into Aqua Imagicaa and I clicked some very cool photos there with my mobile phone, and I'm going to show you that in this video today. Hope you like them. Let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went to Aqua Imagicaa. It is one of the most famous and best water parks located at Khopoli on the outskirts of Mumbai, and I had a lot of fun there. I did not take my camera along for a change because we were on an office picnic mood, but that does not mean I did not photograph because I had my humble mobile phone with me, and I clicked a few pictures with my mobile phone which I'm going to show you today in this video. Hope you like them. Water parks are full of activity, action, high energy, the moments of fun, and let me show you those moments today in this video. Let's get started.
This slide is so cool. As soon as a person comes sliding down, we will catch the splash. Here they come. Also, we'll click a picture from front so I get good symmetry. In the pool, we have a group of friends in the foreground so I can isolate them. This slide is so colorful and has the perfect symmetry. Now waiting for a few people to give my shot some activity and energy. Also, we'll click a shot from the side to try another composition. This child looks so cute. More children playing in the pool. I like the blue color which adds minimalism to my shot. Another cool moment of a mother and child. The expressions, emotions, these moments are meant to be captured. Waiting for more splashes. I really like this guy's expression, like he's really happy and having fun. Got my splash, yes. Let us click a wide shot and have this dog here. He does not require any ticket to come to Aqua Imagicaa. One of my colleagues was at the cafe and I clicked her picture. What I like here is this moment is a complete contrast. All around people were roaming in groups, having fun, enjoying. But here my colleague Priyanka is quiet, is enjoying her solitude, happy in her own zone. Here again is a moment worth clicking of an employee going about his day. Fun chat with friends. Photographing a photographer. Photogenic moment again. When I find leading lines, I just click them, this time with a flower in the foreground. park started to empty, I clicked this off the quiet dude.
So guys, I had a lot of fun with my mobile phone at Aqua Imagicaa, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Do comment which is your favorite place for mobile photography. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous video, 10 tips for mobile photography. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.